Hello guys, welcome to Dailyhacks channel. In this video I'm going to tell you that how to use the metal saw. So this is basically the metal saw. Some of the saws used for the different uses, so this is perfectly for the cutting metals like pipes, metal pipes, and metal things, all of the metal things. If you want to cut them with the hand, so this is the thing. So only difference between the metal saw and the wood saw is, if you see on the edges of the blade, these would be the small one. If you use these small blades edges onto the metal things, it will cut faster. And if you notice onto the wood saw, these edges would be the bigger one. So this is basically silver line saw, so you can hold it from this side. This is the holding thing, and if you have to change the blade, you just need to unscrew this from here, and it will lose the end of the blades, and you can easily take the blade out and put the new one in. So this was the little intro for the metal saw if no one know how to use them. So I think this video would help you a lot. So keep watching my videos and subscribe my channel Daily Hacks. See you in the next video. Bye bye.